VR is an aspect of software that I had never really considered before this job. So this has been like an entirely new field, and I feel like it's opened a door for me that I really enjoy working on, and I'm passionate about it.
We have definitely given students, both people who are making the VR and taking the VR classes, we've given them a completely different experience.
I get to work with animation and art students who also provide different perspectives.
It's not just art, it's a little bit more complicated.
So right now we're working on a VR lab for exercise science where you test your reflexes and your reflex time.
The labs are interactive, so the students will have to be active physically and they will have to move, and that really goes along with our line active learning, active life.
I've really enjoyed working with my team members, and we can like bounce ideas off each other and collaborate, and it's a relatively new field.
VR is like an ever-growing area of technology, and as technology is getting better and better, we're able to take students' feedback and then make the programs that they're doing even better.
We are in fact embracing the emphasis of an open education by creating different formats of teaching.
Notice you got 40 times 26 and 50 times 22.
By allowing our students to choose the type of format of teaching for them.